Welcome back. Welcome back, class 6. Today we will be starting our new chapter, that is minerals. So in last class, everybody, like in your homework, I had assigned you to to mark different minerals found in different states of India, so that all of you did very well. Now let's focus on our chapter. Open your book, and as I go with the chapters, kindly underline or write this kind of things in your notes copy. Okay, the chapter number, like we will be going on with chapter number 6, minerals. It's in page number 62. So like, now let's concentrate what is minerals. Like every day in your home, your mother use certain kind of things, like everybody has seen salt, I guess. So your mother uses those kind of salt in your food, tea, etc. So that salt is also considered as a mineral. And if you drink a glass of water, that also is a mineral. So mineral is one of the important thing in our day-to-day life. So here concentrate here. We use minerals in day-to-day life. Like I have given an example. We eat food which contains salt also, and we drink water that also contains minerals. So in roughly we can say that in day-to-day life we are consuming minerals. So this is a general assumption of what is mineral. Now let's concentrate what is minerals. Minerals are substances that are formed naturally in the earth. I will repeat, minerals are those substances which are formed naturally in the earth. So coming to this red part, I'll come to it later, because the topic red part always I'm dealing with the meaning. So let's skip aside this one and let's focus on the main thing. So minerals are substances that are formed naturally on the earth. So they are found where they are found. Minerals where we can find those kind of minerals are, they are found in dirt, rocks and water. What is dirt? Dirt means maila, rocks dunga, and water pani. So minerals can be found in these three. So as the definition also tells that minerals are substances that are formed naturally. So minerals can't be considered like it is a man-made. So it is said that they are not man-made because it is made naturally by the process. So then further, minerals are a chemical substances. Minerals are chemical substances. We discussed three things, that minerals are formed naturally, they are found in dirt, rocks and water, and they are non-man-made. Now fourth point is they are chemical substances. What are chemical substances? So coming to the meaning of chemical substances, chemical substances are those substances which include any, it can be of liquid, solid and of gas. So those substances which includes liquid, solid or gas can be considered as a chemical substances. As you gradually go, there will be a different subject called chemistry. So on those topic you will be discussing about these three things. So now coming to the main topic, now we are discussing about what is mineral. So the other point is, they are naturally occurring inorganic substances. Minerals are naturally occurring minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substances. So I guess you have heard about organic and inorganic, but now let's focus upon the meaning of inorganic substances. Inorganic substances are composed of matter composed of matter other than that of plants and animals. Other than that of plants and animals. So everyone kindly start writing in your classwork copy. So I guess you understood what is mineral. So now let's discuss the other topic, that is where minerals are found. Where minerals are found. So as in earlier I have talked about minerals can be found in dirt, rocks and water. So let's consider we are talking about rocks. Now there are different kinds of rocks can be found in earth's surface. One is igneous rock, metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks. So just by saying that minerals can be found in rocks or different kinds of rocks, let's understand what is the meaning of this rocks. Okay, igneous rock means those rocks which are found when hot molten rocks crystallizes and solidifies. Means when a volcano is erupted, a lava comes out, and it comes slowly, and after a certain period of time it will form in the it uh, crystallizes and solidifies. Then those rocks are formed. So metamorphic rocks, these rocks are formed by these rocks are subject to high heat and heat pressure. With deep heat pressure or high heat pressure, these metamorphic rocks are found. So now the sedimentary rocks. So these sedimentary rocks are formed by the uh, pieces of once living organism lived on earth, and that will decompose and deposit on earth's surface. Then these rocks are formed. So have you heard about dinosaurs or so many things that were once living in this earth, so they died? That those kind of things, not only just dinosaurs, there are so many animals, trees are there, plants and animals are there that decompose, that deposit in earth's surface, and with many years passing by, this kind of rocks are found. So generally minerals are found in these three rocks: igneous rock, metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks. So kindly write the meaning of these rocks. Okay, for today's last topic, that will be types of minerals. Okay, there are two types of minerals, that is metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. So this can be also as a difference between. You can write your answer in this category also, differentiating what are metallic minerals as well as what are non-metallic minerals. So metallic minerals contains metals. Metallic minerals contains metal in a raw form, whereas non-metallic minerals does not contain metals. It's very simple. The name itself says that metallic minerals contain metals, whereas non-metallic minerals does not contain minerals. So metallic minerals are good conductors of heat and electricity, and they have luster and shine. They have luster and shine, and it's your duty to find the meaning also. Don't open your Google, just open the dictionary, like okay, wait, out here just open the dictionary and search the meaning of luster and shine. Then let's focus on what are the examples. In examination, the question can be asked like, what are the example of metallic minerals? So in answer you need to write iron, ore, copper and silver are the examples of non-metallic minerals, whereas the example of non-metallic minerals are limestone and mica. So have you heard about coal and petroleum? Coal and petroleum is considered as a fuel. So this coal and petroleum are also non-metallic minerals. So in today's class we discuss different topics such as what is minerals, where the minerals are formed, what are the different types of rocks, what is ore, what is the example of minerals, and uh, all ores are all ores are considered as rocks, but all rocks are not considered as ore. Then at last we discussed about the types of mineral, that is non-metallic as well as metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are those those metals which contains metals in a raw form, but non-metallic minerals are those which does not contain any metals. Okay, so in the next class I'll be continuing the different topics such as uh, distribution of minerals in India, that is in page number 63, and distribution of minerals in the world. So then the last topic will be like the excavation of minerals. So in next class I'll be completing these three topics, that is distribution of minerals in India, distribution of minerals all over the world, and the excavation of minerals. So side by side, kindly start doing your fill in the blanks, choose the correct answers, and name the following and state true or false. And regarding the question and answers, I will give you the tip so you can write your answers by your own. So in Google Meet, we can just discuss what are the topics which you are finding it very difficult, or what are the answers you have not found. So once in a week we'll go for a Google Meet where we can discuss the issues or doubts regarding the chapter itself. Okay, stay safe, take care. Next topic is examples of minerals. What are the examples of minerals? The example of minerals are gold, silver, copper, limestone, and mica. And in our earth there are 2800 types of mineral in earth. So our earth is very rich in different kinds of mineral. So these are the things: gold, silver we can use to make different ornaments, jewelries, etc. So different minerals are used to they are very much costly also. So now let's coming to the next topic, that is what is ore. These all topics you can find in your book, page number from 62 to 63. So everything whatever I am discussing out here, everything is in the book. So now let's understand what is ore. What is ore? Ore is a naturally occurring rocks containing high concentration of one or more metals or valuable minerals. So what is ore? Ore is like it has high concentration of one material or more valuable material. So for that an example I can cite aluminium can be considered as the best example, because aluminium is found in a special type of mineral called bauxite. So as the definition says that ore contains one or more valuable metals. Okay, so aluminium can be found in bauxite. So bauxite is also considered as a mineral. Now to be very specific, that in your answer you also need to emphasize on writing all ores are rocks, but all rocks are not ore. I'll repeat, all ores are rocks, but all rocks are not ore. Understood? So students, the image is about igneous rocks. This image is of metamorphic rocks. This image is sedimentary rocks. This image is ore, where gold, iron and copper ore are there. This bauxite containing aluminium. These are the samples of gold, copper, etc. This is just limestone, marble, gravel, sand. Here this picture contains limestone and mica. These are some of the minerals that we can find in our earth.